If you want to deactivate the wallpaper scroll effect on the home screen on the Motorola Signature, here's what you need to do. So if you, for example, use your own image as a wallpaper, then most likely you will have this scroll effect on the home screen. And in this case, in order to get rid of it, you can open, let's say, the Photos app over here. And I actually used this photo over here to set it up for my home screen. So now I'm just gonna use it and I'm gonna zoom it in. I just have to make sure that it actually covers my whole screen. And of course, I'm going to adjust it just in a way that I want it to be on the home screen. So there we go. Once I do that, let's say I want it just like that, I should be able to screenshot. So I'm going to use the power button and volume down button at the same time. Just make sure that there are no buttons visible. So you can, for example, tap on the screen in order to make everything disappear. And then we're going to take the screenshot. There we go. Now, once we capture the screenshot, we're gonna go back and let's open settings. And let's actually start from the beginning. Over here in settings, we're gonna scroll down, of course, in order to find personalize. Tap on the lock screen and we're gonna go to my photos and we want to choose the screenshot that we just took. And now let's press set. And of course, we can set it for home screen, lock screen, or both. And after a couple of seconds, we should be able to go back to the home screen. And now, as you can see, there is no scroll effect. So unfortunately, this is the only way, the only workaround that allows us to deactivate the scroll effect of the wallpaper. At least right now, this is the only way. Leave a like and subscribe.